Hi everybody, Thelindabradley here with Princess House. As we get ready to enter a new year, I know, it's crazy, 2023 is right around the corner. You know you're going to be doing a lot of cooking for 3 reasons. Number 1, usually in January, everybody gets on a health kick. They want to eat healthier and be healthier for their family, so that means you cook a lot at home instead of going out to restaurants. Number 2, restaurants are getting pretty pricey these days, and that's the first thing people cut out when they're trying to save money. And number 3, when it gets cold, we think of comfort food, right? And all the nice soups and stews that we love to make. So I have a really great set to offer for you today that's going to help you with all your cooking in 2023. And you're really going to love it. I'm going to start right off with the cookware because that means everything. When you use quality cookware, you find that your foods taste better, and it's really true. It's not a myth, and you'll enjoy cooking more. So this is a set of our Princess Heritage cookware. You're going to see that the lids have that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern on it. They're glass lids so that you can see what's cooking inside, and they all have a little slow release steam seal so that when you're cooking, you don't have to like crook the lid a little bit. It just lets the steam come out slowly. So this is our 10-inch non-stick skillet, and it's good for so many different types of foods. Keep in mind that our non-stick does not have any of the dangerous chemicals, no PFOA, no PETE, so you can use it and know that it's safe. In addition, I have for you a 3-quart, which is a really nice size. This is a 3-quart saucepan. All of our pans, by the way, you'll see that a couple things that I want to show you. You'll see that the back, you can see that has a V to it, right? Can you see it? And that's for the heat, so that this way you can hold the handles and that they won't be hot. Also, you're going to see that the lids have our Princess Heritage seal, and you can actually hang the lids right over top of the pot. So if you hang your pots, it's a really good way to do it. You can put them all together. This is a 3-quart saucepan. It's really the perfect size for most of the needs that you have. And then, of course, we have a 6-quart stock pot. So this is a little larger. It has the double handle, and this is good for making your pasta, maybe large batches of macaroni and cheese, and different things like that. Stew, especially if you're not a huge, big family, chili. So it's a nice 3-piece set. Keep in mind that our Princess House cookware has a lifetime warranty. So I guarantee you that you're going to love it. In this package that I'm offering, I'm also going to give you our stainless steel tea kettle. This is a whistling kettle, so you'll always know when your tea is ready to go. It's a beautiful item. You can sit it right on your stove. And then to go along with that, we have set of 4 of the Marbella latte mugs, which these aren't even in the regular catalog. It's part of my special offer. And to help you get all of those recipes whipping up, I'm going to also include in this package the Immersion Blender. And this is one of my favorites. You know, a lot of the times we don't have big houses and big kitchens and room to put big things like our big stand blender, right? So you can use an Immersion Blender because you can see that it has a small footprint and it fits in so many different areas. It's super easy to just take the different attachments and put them on and off. So this one is the blender attachment. It does come with the vessel. You can use this to make your smoothies, right? Your healthy smoothies. Go ahead, all you have to do is twist it on and off. Now we have your whisk, and this is going to be good for your eggs, your pancakes, your whipped cream. We also have a masher. This is great for mashed potatoes. The other thing that's nice is a lot of the times you'll make a recipe of like a soup or a stew, butternut squash, potato soup, and it tells you that once you get it to cook, to pour it in the blender, mash it up, and then pour it back. You don't have to worry about that. You won't have to scald yourself with the hot contents. You can just use this right in the pot. And then last but certainly not least, because this might be my favorite, is it comes with a small food processor. So you can use this when you're making even any of your dips and spreads. It's great for celery, for carrots, cucumbers, and I use it when I'm baking. It's great for nuts and things like that. So this is the Immersion Blender. So many different ways to use it. You're going to want to reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. This set is pretty much half price. So what I do is I take a combination of customer specials and hostess specials, and I make a package for you. This whole package is just $583. That includes shipping and that includes tax. You can pay it in full. It ships anywhere in the United States, or you can use a layaway plan, which you can start with $145 and then make 10 weekly payments of $43.88. each, and it's yours. As soon as it's paid in full, it ships, and as I said, it can ship anywhere in the United States. So just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. Take advantage of this great set that you're going to be able to use and love. There's something to be said about cooking for other people especially. It makes you feel really good about yourself. Try some new recipes. They're lots of fun, and you might just find yourself falling in love with cooking again. I know I did. All right, see you next time.